Hi guys, we are going to do the snack crate. I don't know if I'm in this picture or not, but good enough. Snack crate. Alright. I'm scared. Korea. See? Alright. There's the box. Alright. So, I'm going to read a few things first. This month's crate is from South Korea. Fun facts. Almost all restaurants deliver. They'll even come back for your dirty dishes. There are over 250 kinds of kimchi. Kimchi is the fermented side dish that originated here. The Korean flag is highly conceptual. Each of the black lines represent elements, while the inner circle is yin and yang. Almost half of the country's residents have the last name Kim. When you were born in South Korea, you are already considered a year old. South Korean men love makeup, spending close to $900 million a year. Alrighty. Okay. So, here we go. So, I'm going to butcher the names of this stuff, just so everyone knows. Because I don't, yeah. Okay. Alright. This is Choco Pie. These marshmallow pies are adored by all Koreans. They are regularly smuggled into North Korea, where they are as good as cash. I don't like chocolate, so yeah, we'll see. Looks like that.
Like a moon pie.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a moon pie. I don't really care for marshmallow. Yeah. Wait a second. Don't eat it yet. Here you go. Whoa. Here, Ryan. Here, Ryan. Sit up. Trying to record. Here, Melissa. Oh my God, I'm getting this all over. Alright. Alright, go ahead. Very chocolatey.
I like it.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
Save a piece for Coke.
Yeah, let me save a little piece
It's
for Cole.
rich.
I don't like it.
I like
It's too
it. I
chocolatey.
think it's good.
Gross.
Thank you.
Mm-mm.
Tastes like a moon pie.
Yeah, it tastes just like a moon pie,
Yeah.
but I don't care. Dax, quit.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. The next thing is, I hate trying to say these names. Gasumi. These wholesome wheat crackers with just a hint of sweetness. Ugh, chocolate in my mouth. Alright. Here we go. That's what they look like. Here, right.
They look like wheat thins.
Yeah, they do look like wheat thins. Yeah, they do look like
Alright, here we go.
They're not bad.
Good.
Oh, I like them.
These are actually really good.
I like them better than wheat thins. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Those are really good.
Yeah, they are. I like
Actually, it
them.
kind of tastes like a honey grams or whatever. Those little berries.
Very
A
good.
little bit. Alright. Now, let's see. We got... Okay, I'm not going to be able to say this. Coq di Assy. Coq di Assy. I know I'm saying that wrong. Okay, shortbread cookies with a coffee and cream flavored center. There's two different kinds.
I want
There's
both
white tort and Vienna coffee.
kinds. I want both kinds.
Alright, so here we go.
Because I want
Oh,
both.
wait a minute. Is it going to break all over me? Alright. Let's see. Alright. Here, Ryan. This is the vanilla coffee. Hold on, let me give Missy one.
Smells strong.
All right, here we go. Does smell strong.
I like it.
Like a
Oh.
wafer. Tastes like
I
a
like
wafer.
it.
Bad
Tastes like a
aftertaste.
wafer.
Yeah, at
Yeah,
first
See
it
in the
does.
middle.
Tastes like coffee, Ryan. I like that. All right, here is the white torte.
It had a, it's like the
Mm.
plastic. It's
Yeah.
just the-
Yeah. You like coffee, right? You know.
There was a different aftertaste.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
all right.
It was good at first. It's like coffee just kind of gets you.
Here,
It's overpowered.
watch out. Put it. Open your hand. It's crunching.
This one smells more delightful.
Sorry, baby.
Here, Missy.
This one. Which one did you say this
This
was?
is white torte or something like that. I like this one.
That one's not
That
too
one's
bad.
better. That one's
That's
better.
not too bad. That one tastes more like a vanilla wafer than the other.
Yeah, it's not as strong.
I don't taste nothing like a vanilla wafer.
I
Not at all.
The texture.
Mm-mm.
sister don't like
More
it.
like a, no, I love it. I said it's not. It's not like a wafer.
Yeah, I meant the other one. The aftertaste.
Anyway, all right. So we'll put them aside.
I got water just in case.
Okay, now these are French pies, fresh jam on top of a flaky and buttery pastry. We've included 2, apple and strawberry. Oh, it's cool feeling.
I even want apple. I want strawberry.
I'm making a mess.
Yeah, I'll take it over.
Do it over the box.
Here, open your hand because it's crunching all up. It's very
Oh my
flaky.
gosh.
It's
Why does
not
it look-
easy trying to break this stuff
You know
up.
what it looks like?
Thank you.
It's stuck.
I don't know why, but it reminds me of like a regular
No.
cracker.
Sorry.
Oh my god, hold on.
Hey,
It's
no.
flaking all over.
Yeah, it's
Jack's
everywhere.
trying to eat it.
You
Go ahead.
didn't get Ryan any?
It's apple. I didn't get no gram on mine.
Do you want this, girl?
Uh-uh.
I didn't either.
It kind of tastes like
I
an
didn't
apple
either.
turnover.
You definitely did.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
Mine-
you
It kind
definitely
of tastes
did.
like an
I didn't
apple
taste it at
turnover.
first.
Yeah, it tastes like an apple turnover. It's exactly what it tastes like.
That's exactly what it
Now
is.
I'm getting my, now I'm getting my jam.
I'm not gonna do the
I
cherry
do.
one. Too hard to break up.
We get the idea.
Yeah. Alright. I'm scared. Oh, I didn't show you these. This is what them were. Alright. I'm scared of this thing.
What is
It is a Yugwa traditional rice cookie. Stop, Ryan!
It's Jack's.
Jackson, come here.
A sweet and crunchy cookie made with honey, flour, and toasted rice.
So salty.
Is it all sweet?
No,
It's probably something like a Rice Krispie treat or
it's definitely not.
something. No, it's not.
No.
It's by the
Here.
texture
Sounds
of it.
good to me.
It's not a rice. Or it's not a Rice Krispie treat by any means. Here.
Alright, nah, it's nasty.
It tastes just like a regular rice.
Just tastes like rice.
Not too bad.
It tastes like, you know that that edible grass you get
Yeah.
from Easter, that edible candy grass? That's
Yeah,
what it
that's
tastes
what I
like.
was tasting.
Alright. Canshu. Where we at? Canshu biscuits, named for the prank played by Korean children. These crunchy biscuits are filled with chocolate. Great.
Katie doesn't like chocolate.
Have fun breaking this one.
These things should be good. They like sticks with them. They like cookie sticks. Dipped
That'd
in
be easy to
stuff.
do
They're
with
weird.
these.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, they got cute little
Wait,
faces or something.
Little emojis.
Present.
Ideas.
this one has a present.
Could be another one.
No.
No, I like these.
Those are good.
I
They
like
are
these.
good.
Why can't I have another one?
They're chocolate. Oh.
You don't even like them.
No. Quit. All right. Next. Ah. No. Them are gross.
I think they're good.
Peppero. Where am I at? Okay. White peppero. Delicious stick biscuits coated in cookies and cream.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, you're probably gonna get all of them. They're nasty as hell. I mean, heck. Oops. Oh, these are like
Those one thing. Then
these are
Jackson.
like what are these called?
Kind of like the sticks with the rock candy on them. Is
No,
that what you're talking about?
No, you get these.
What?
Or
these
milk.
things.
I know what she's talking about.
No.
Oh, there's another name for them. Nobody knows, but I know what I'm talking
I
about.
know what you're talking about too, and they're round, they're bigger. And they're
No,
all that.
they're just like this.
It's
They're from
actually really good.
China.
That was
No,
good.
that's
I ate that one. At first, I was
I
like,
like these a lot.
I was kind of concerned about the name.
I know. I thought it was gonna be peppery.
Yeah, I'm like,
I
wait.
think it's all sweets.
No, it's not.
Well, besides the rice.
Pretty
The
good.
rice wasn't sweet, and this isn't sweet. It's honey flavored ramen that you don't cook. Seriously.
Sounds gross.
Yeah.
And honey, it's sweet.
No.
There's 6 different flavors. I don't like these either.
I
Alright.
like
Good.
it.
Alright,
That's
I don't know how I'm gonna break this up. Custard soft cupcake. Custard cupcake. Golden sponge cake filled with flavor packed custard cream. And it says on the bottom, cream and egg yolk filling.
You're right.
I don't know about this.
I don't either.
Ew! That smells
Let me
horrible.
Why does that shit smell like glue?
This smells disgusting.
It smells like glue. It smells like glue.
Here.
That scared me.
You.
Smell it. It smells like
I don't
glue.
know. I'm gonna end up spitting this out. I already know
Smells
it.
like glue.
It does smell like glue. I don't want to eat it.
Here, you get the biggest middle. You seem to like it.
I like custard.
Alright, there's Cole's piece. Alright, here we go. Ew.
It tastes like.
Ah!
Yeah.
No!
I don't want this.
I can't do this.
Nope.
That is disgusting. How does anybody... Did you like it?
I didn't even get
There.
to the filling.
I
Yeah,
ate
no.
it.
Yeah.
Did you like it? Here, if you like it.
Here, Val.
Oh, my hair.
Here.
You gave her a hair. Somebody gave her a
Yeah,
hair.
I like custard, but that's just.
That's different.
Yeah.
I mean,
She's
you
like, I don't know if I want to eat the
people
rest
in
of
Korea
this.
like it, honey.
Yeah, lots of people.
So
If you
lots of
like it, you
people
like
like
it.
it.
I
Yeah.
just don't
I
like
think
it.
Katie, I think Katie put it in my head when
Alright.
she said something. I think she put it
This
in my mind.
is called... Alright,
No, it's nasty.
stop. Alright. Seacum Dalcum. Sour fruit chew similar to high chew
No,
in
pay attention to
Japan.
mine. Put it in the dog dish till we get there. But I don't eat that, James.
I'm going to be stingy with this because I love sour candy and I'm breaking them in pieces. Are they different flavors? Oh, no. Oh, these are peach. Peach. And I'm being stingy.
Jackson.
This is going to be like the only thing I like in the whole box. Don't eat it yet.
You like them one thing, didn't you?
What?
The crackers.
What crackers?
The
Oh,
Reese's
the
crackers.
very first crackers?
These crackers.
Yeah.
These look
I got
stretchy.
hair.
Stretches.
You don't like it?
He's like, no.
Yeah. I know I'm going to like these. Where'd it go?
It's like, look at
They
this.
smell like lemon.
Look-
They're peach.
Is it taffy? Cause it's,
Mmm.
It's really not sour. It's really not sour.
that's good.
It's
Love
really
them.
good.
These are all mine.
What about one for cool?
Kind of tastes like, yeah, because it's a peach flavor. It's like a winey tasting.
Yeah.
All right.
Those peaches have good wine.
Them are good. Okay, this last thing is pushu pushu. Don't boil it. This ramen is meant to be eaten as a cracker. Check out the directions on the back. And there is, it's this one. And there is beef, chicken, honey. Looks like a hot dog or barbecue. Hot pepper and cheese. And we got the honey one. All right.
Shouldn't get it open.
Ching ching. Ah.
Good job.
Smells like a regular ramen, except the noodles are a little littler. Alright, a little littler. Alright. Let's see. Where's the package? Alright.
It's like a regular ramen.
Okay, you're gonna do that. Put it in the shaker.
This is
The
how
way
you're
that
supposed
I
to do
use
it.
The way
I've
that
ate
I
raw
make it.
ramen since I was a little kid, like regular ramen here in America.
Yeah.
So it's funny that
Yeah.
these, you don't cook these. Because my kids, me, my cousin Josh, we've always done it for years, and I lost the sauce package. Where'd it go?
For-
Got me started
there was
on
one year
Where is
I
it?
wouldn't boil
You
it.
had it right there, sweetheart.
No.
There was 1 year where I wouldn't boil them.
Okay, stop. There it is. Alright.
What's that flavor?
Honey. I've never had a honey ramen, though, so that's, kind of wish, I don't know, we'll see. I heard the honey's actually pretty good, though. I've heard the cheese flavor is, like, way too overpowering.
It's got a body.
No, he doesn't. He's just being ornery because he's on it. Anyway. All right. Shake, 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 shake. There's. It don't smell like honey. Smell that. It smells good though. It smells
like ramen.
It smells weird.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Robin, you trying this?
Why does it taste like? Go ahead.
It's not
It's
bad.
like popcorn.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's like ramen.
Why does it remind me of Bean Boozled?
That's better than the other.
It literally tastes like a regular ramen squashed up, except a little
The
sweet.
honey taste.
The noodles exactly the same.
No, the noodles seem a little softer. All right, so
That was our excitement for today.
Yep.
pretty
You
sure
never know what we're going to be doing.
this and this is the only thing that I liked.
I like them all, but the
I want the rice.
the
The custard thing.
custard
I liked most of them, but the custard thing.
well, this was a little bland.
Yeah.
That was a little bland, but
That's what she wants. She likes it.
I thought it was good.
All right. And now I'm gonna shut this off, and that was our snack crate, and it was
Yay,
fun.
guys.
All right, bye guys. This video is very long.
Bye.
Bye.